Today is March 6, no? 6. We are getting ready. Hi, baby. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
We're gonna go to SM. We're going to SM. And I just did my makeup. I'm waiting for my so yeah, we're going to SM with the kids. Are you going? And say hi.
Hi.
But I will talk to you guys later. We're going to SM. Ate, ikapoy ka? Asa man to? Asa ka man? Hello? Asa man? Ate, sa taas pa man, te. Oo, chubi-chubi. No, it's all the way upstairs. Mick, say hi, Mick. Asa mas Gigi? Make you work out. Right. We're here at the Moon Cafe. They have it.
Chocolate, I'll be last. Who's at the glance? And I'm on the shelf with LG.
Yeah, you got it. G,
banana. The GG Jams. 20 hours now.
Hey guys, we're here at the Moon Cafe. I'm with my family right now. Raven, say hi. Sponsor. Alright guys, we're gonna eat. We have calamares, we're all gonna get some beef taco, and we're still waiting for our other food. Yum yum! Are you full, baby? Extra rice pa more. We have sisig, you already got the beef steak, calamares, and some beef tacos. Sydney, ano sa'yo mo hati? Fish fillet and some chicken O katong pork belly. Pork belly. Yeah, everybody's eating.
Raven, come here. Hindi mo buong tingin ba yun? Pagdali. Ganiti si Raven, ganiti si Raven, ganiti si Raven. G. Dia juga dong, G. Raven, Raven. Raven. Go, go.
Uy. Hello.
Oh, nag-vlog ka, te?
Yes. Hi, say hi sa vlog.
Hi. My name is Nally. Better subscribe to my channel.
We're here at Lantau.
Tanong sa imong YouTube.
Sure, uy.
Oh, idol ka na ko.
Hala, ayaw tonday. Kaya ko pakawawi day.
One fan.
Ate, pag video ate. Kapoy. Steady, ate. Tarong ate.
Ulagi, uy.
Mahayag di ay butang ighayag day.
Hayag na na.
Ay babe tagi flashlightan tika ayo di hanap. Ay sa kay flashlightan tika oh.
Supportive.
Sige.
So, where are you going?
We're going to Lantau.
Say hello.
Hello. I'm the king in the jungle as a big.
Sige, go. You go first.
Raven said he wants to go for a swim.
Boy, no. Diyan ka mo vlog. Oh.
The fake flowers. Then flower. So he's also doing a vlog, which is cool. Or yeah, cool, just cool.
Real pork belly ng ilada.
We're here at Lantau. Say hi.
Picture na. Picture mo na.
Video man ibibig.
Picture.
No, nag-video. Ako may gituduan ni Raven.
Awa. Sita pa na video.
I'm with my cousin Michelle.
Ito mag-vlog siya.
Hi po, nandito po kami ngayon.
English video at tayo.
Aloha.
Si Natalie. Hi guys, it's me.
Aloha, YouTube.
Hi guys, it's me.
It's me, it's not you.
Ito ang pagpangan na.
Unsa ang nila?
Ay, ate, hidid na.
Okay.
Yung kabi.
Pa-off na mo.
Pa-off.
Mag-order na to. Lagi ako sa Dong.
We're sa katulong to make sure go pa maka half price lang.
Hi, you guys.
We're going to 10,000 roses.
Uh-huh. Hi, ako ilong urtis.
Wow!
Wow!
Ibigay ang baga tignan be.
Now you see? This is the actual flowers.
Yes. Yeah, it's fake.
I thought they were red roses.
The actual one is
Huh. Probably not sounding like ice cream or something. Icy.
The roses in here are fake.
Sure? How can you tell?
Yeah. Look, see?
Can you taste them?
No. Alright, so many people are taking pictures in here. And
Raven!
Raven! Raven!
Taysa balik na ko ha.
That's cool.
Kasi para balik ano adara. Di ko ganan na apil ang puto ha.
Alright. That's cool. Okay, so